Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. We have last exercise for chapter number 12, which is number 7 exercise, that how can we edit parcel with the parcel layout tools. It's very important exercise like the previous exercise because we have many commands in layout tools which we can use to edit our parcel with our design criteria like minimum frontage, minimum area, and how can we combine our parcels and how can we dissolve them also. Before starting, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe Civil 3D Pro Designer, and you can also access me through my Facebook page Civil 3D Pro Designer, where you can get many more material related to Civil 3D. Let's start our exercise number 7. For the most advanced parcel editing, we can look to the parcel layout tools bar. This toolbar includes some of the same tools the edit geometry panel of the parcel ribbon tab includes, such as insert PI and delete PI. We will also find editing version of the parcel sizing command that you used earlier to create parcel. The slide line edit and swing line edit commands works much like their create counterparts, but instead of creating new parcel lines, they slide or rotate existing parcel line using to meet new size requirement. In addition, you can create a parcel union that combine multiple parcel into a single entity. There is also a command that will dissolve the union, returning the component parcel to their individual status. In this exercise, we will use a few of the tools on the parcel layout toolbars. First of all, open the drawing name editing parcel using the layout tools, which you can get from the description link. When you will open, you can see something like that, which we are working with real-time projects. Now just click on property 28. For example, we need to expand the area of property 28. So how can we do that? Now here you can see parcel layout tools. So parcel layout toolbars you have. Now here you can expand, and now we have 1350 square meter. For example, I can expand that area to make my parcel number 28 something like around 2000 square meter. I will press enter and it will open the dialog box, which you don't need to change. Just press OK. And then you can close that. For now, expand the parcel sizing tools here, and you can select slide line. When you will click on slide line, it will ask you to select attach line, lot line to adjust. For example, I want to adjust this lot line. I will click and then it will ask select a parcel to adjust. I want to adjust this parcel. I will click inside anywhere in this parcel. Then it will ask for frontage start. Our parcel start is here, and now for example I just want to put something like here, and then it will ask for angle. Just press enter to angle. Now it is giving you a preview of property number 28, which is according to our design criteria like minimum area of 2000 square meter. Just if you want to change this condition of property number 28 according to your area. Just press enter and it will change. Okay. Now press escape twice. We have property number 27 which we want to add into property number 3. Just select and then open parcel layout tools. We can see here a parcel union command. It's very important command to now use that. How can you add some parcel into a one new parcel union? You will select and then select the destination parcel. For example, my destination parcel is property number 3, which will add this parcel number 27. When you will click, it will add your parcel 27 into parcel number 3. Then, for example, I just want to go back with this union. I will select dissolve parcel union and then it will ask to select the parcel. I will select this parcel and it will automatically generate two parcel to new parcel, actually property 48 and property 47. Just press enter to accept them and press escape twice to exit the command. Hope you like these layout toolbars command to edit the parcels. I just practice with 2 and you can explore another all to get better, to get familiar also with another commands. Hope you like this video. If you are new, please subscribe Civil 3D Pro Designer for latest videos related to Civil 3D and land.